Hello and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have found a very tiny little wee screwdriver. And the idea is, and it may be too tiny, to get into this potentiometer and give it a little tweak and see if it makes any difference. It does have a plastic handle. Am I a little nervous? Yes, I am. And is this... Oh yeah, it is turning a little wee bit. Okay, so now that I've done that, the machine is off. It's facing away from me. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to go and have a look and see if that did anything. And it's hard to tell. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to do anyway. I have here an iPad that should maybe act as a mirror. Maybe, possibly. If I could just get it to sit here, maybe I can see. Oh, no. It's trying to fall down. It's trying to fall down. We do not want that. No. Okay, I'll get that sitting there nicely. Okay, now, am I brave enough to attempt this with the machine on? Perhaps I am. Oh God, don't do that. All right. Okay, I am turning. I think I'm at the end of what can be, and I think it did actually move, and I did not get zapped. I believe. So we'll see about that. Anyway, this screwdriver, if you can get a look at it, it does have a plastic handle. That doesn't look very good at all. Anyway, it does have a plastic handle. Now this other potentiometer, I just have no clue how to get in there and do something with it, because it's very, if it looked the same as this, I would be quite pleased. But it's oh, you know what, I'm not going to try. I will consult with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel and see what he thinks. Maybe there's a special tool that goes deep into there. For a moment there, I thought maybe there's a little, thing right at the bottom here. That thing. I thought, gee, maybe that's movable. And maybe it is. But I am not that brave. So, especially with monitors, I would not ever think that anybody who doesn't know what they're doing should try anything. And really, the only reason I did this, which was to turn this potentiometer ever so slightly to control the height, is because the back was already off. And I thought, well, I'll be brave for this one moment in time. And I think, indeed, it worked. I think. But I will find out more when I turn this machine around. So thanks for coming to the pet room, not the pet room, the TV room. We'll see what we see when we see what we see. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.